The Goat Loop Trail, it hasn't been maintained in a number of years because we just couldn't get to it. Not only did we not have time in the day, we didn't have the equipment that could cross the ditch, that was a size that could be handled by one person. The trail was it just had too many obstacles on it for our tractor to get on it. And yet the Orec equipment, it was the perfect size, the perfect mobility, the perfect agility. And we had a volunteer who had never seen it before clear a trail that hadn't been cleared in more than 5 years.
For somebody who works with a park system or a arboretum type area who has lots of trails to mow, this would be a great asset. The Rover's fantastic. Again, I only worked in a very steep hill and a lot of woods and wooded area, and it just dug right through. It was easy to control, and it was a lot of fun.